Hello, my friends. This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Why? Because we can remember His faithfulness. I've had one of those days where you just feel so depleted. I did emotionally, physically, and I just needed to run to the Lord and just let Him hold me. There are days where I just say, "Hold me, Lord." But I needed to remember His faithfulness today in the midst, because yes, we carry burdens for others and we start feeling that, the heaviness of our heart. But at the same time, it also brings up heaviness that we have carried for our own situations that God has brought us through. And this week, last night as a family, we remembered that this week, 4 years ago, God brought us through the flood. And the flood was so bad at the time that, yes, we threw away things with our own hands out of our houses. And even this piano came after the flood. But God's faithfulness that Jeremiah writes about, He is in the midst of just mourning, and he is crying about Jerusalem and things that is happening. But then he says, "And then I remembered, great is your faithfulness, O God. Your mercies are new every morning." And almost like that, I remembered at the time, a few days after we had got out of our homes and we were in a place the Lord had provided, and I was sitting on a mattress on the floor with the guitar that God miraculously let me keep, because the cover was soaking wet, but the guitar inside was dry. And I sat there and the Lord gave me this song. It was a prayer I sang to Him, and today I just want to record it. Hold my hand, let me know you're with me in this storm. I need you, Lord, to cling to you with all that I am. Let me hear your calming voice. Let me feel your healing